Hey, Rosie.
Yeah?
What do you want for dinner?
Hoito pancakes and bacon.
Hoito pancakes and bacon?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's make it.
Yay!
Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Monty's Wonder Kitchen. This week I'll be instructing you on how to make Finnish pancakes or lettutaikina, inspired by the Hoito Restaurant in Thunder Bay, Ontario. Let's start with the ingredients you will need. For your wet mix, you'll need 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs. For your dry mix, you will need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and bacon, because it makes everything better, and you'll need 1 pound of it. As for your cooking tools, you'll need 2 bowls, measuring spoons and cups, a frying pan, non-stick or cast iron works best, a spatula, a ladle, a baking sheet, a whisk, paper towel, and aluminum foil. First things first, let's get the bacon in the oven. Yes, in the oven, as it is the superior way to cook bacon. First line the baking sheet with aluminum foil or parchment paper. Then put the rashers or strips of bacon on the sheet. For our family of 4, a whole pound works best. Don't worry if the edges of the pieces are touching, as they will shrink up significantly. Put the bacon into a cold oven and turn it on to 400 degrees and set a timer for 20 minutes so that you're reminded to check it before it turns to carbon. While the bacon is getting delicious, measure out 2 cups of milk and 2 eggs. Whisk them together until frothy. Then measure out 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and the cinnamon and nutmeg, and combine them well. Then you want to add half of your wet mix to your dry mix and stir until there are no clumps remaining. Then add the rest of your wet mix and whisk until bubbly and smooth. Next, put your pan on medium heat, and while it's warming up, melt 1 tablespoon of butter for 30 seconds in the microwave. Whisk it into your pancake batter. Now you're ready to start cooking the pancakes. Set aside a plate for the finished pancakes and butter your pan's bottom until it's slick.
You got your pancake mix here, and what I like to do is ladle out half a ladle, so it's about a half a cup right there. And then what you do is you put it in your pan, and right away you'll hear the sizzling of the pancakes, and you want to swirl it around so the whole bottom of the pan gets covered, and then you put it down and you just wait. Okay, so what we're doing now is flipping the pancake. What you'll see is that the edges start to get a little brown, and that's when you know that it's ready to be flipped. And to do that, what you do is you just run the edge of your spatula over so you get underneath, put your spatula underneath, and you flop it over, and then you just make sure that it's all covered, and then you wait another 10 seconds and it's ready to go.
After cooking about 2 pancakes, the timer will be screaming at you to check the bacon. If it's cooked to your desired doneness, pull it off the baking sheet and put on paper towel to catch any remaining grease. Wrap the bacon into aluminum foil and keep it warm while you finish cooking your pancakes. This recipe should make 8 or 9 large-sized pancakes. You will have a pretty large stack for the little ingredients you need to make it. Our family loves to have them served with maple syrup or homemade raspberry Saskatoon jam. If you liked this video and want to see more, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week on another installment of Monty's Wonder Kitchen. Thanks.